This luggage provides superior protection and security thanks to ultra-strong 100% virgin polycarbonate. The custom YKK zippers are smooth-running, and the racket-shaped coil ensures long-lasting, durable protection. The multifunctional tool is connected to a portable power bank, which easily fits in the inner pocket. Space is maximized thanks to a new patented molding. 2 zippered mesh pockets ensure that the maximum of accessories can be packed between the trolley poles. X-shaped compression straps keep folded items secure. Packing is made easy with a zippered divider wall with a leak-resistant pocket. The integrated Travel Sentry approved combination lock allows TSA screeners to open the lock without destroying it and relock it after inspection. With smooth, stable rolling dual caster wheels, Lexicon Hardside exemplifies performance-focused design at every turn. A multifunctional tool is smartly hidden beneath a sliding ID tag. The tool unveils a charging USB port for carry-ons, as well as a pen and SIM card replacement tool. When travel is part of one's lifestyle, the Lexicon is the stylish and reliable choice. Lexicon Collection, class leader in volume.
Introducing 2 Plus X2 and S2 luxury suitcases, made from aircraft aluminum for both strength and beauty. Say goodbye to the traditional zippers with our patented one-touch open mechanism. Gives you quick access to whatever you need. The X2 carry-on has an adjustable pull rod that gives you 3 height limits to choose from, giving you added comfort and easy handling. Solid engineered wheels that are perfect for all floors and emits little sound hardly noticeable during motion. Inbuilt TSA lock system with just 1 click. It's open so you can get access to those gadgets you'll need on the way. A zippered and attachable cover that makes packing more fun and organized. The X2 can contain up to 5 days luggage capacity, perfect for those long business trips. The S2 aluminum carry-on, another luxury suitcase from 2 Plus, offering you all the features in the X2, but only more portable at its 16 inches size, perfect for gentlemen and ladies of grace and elegance. Our unique patented one-touch open system eases the stress of using zippers, offering you a flexible open system that can tilt to any degree to let you grab whatever you need in a jiffy. Also present, the adjustable pull rods with 3 different height limits to suit you just fine. Soundproof wheels equal swift and smooth movement anywhere. The 2 Plus X2 and S2 carry-on comes in a variety of 3 colors: rose gold, silver, and black, whichever suits your taste. Travel with 2 Plus. Travel in style and elegance.